Hi! In front of me is VIVO T1 Pro 5, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. You need to begin by opening Messages app and selecting one of your chats. When you're ready, tap on this plus icon located at the bottom left corner. Now click on Files section, and over here you can hold the chosen ones right away. Click on one of those apps or select those three lines at the top left corner and pick one of those sources. Wherever you decide, you can also tap on Audio and Videos filters at the top. Finally, just hold your file that you wish to add. And last but not least, tap on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my file was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!